In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to get started with the Photoroom app using a step-by-step approach on your mobile device. Whether you're a technology whiz or someone who's just getting familiar with mobile apps, I'm here to guide you through this process smoothly and effortlessly. First, let's grab your phone and begin by opening the Google Play Store. If you're not entirely familiar with how to do this, just look for the icon on your home screen or in your app drawer. It usually has a colorful triangle on it, representing the Play Store logo. Once you've located and tapped on it, you'll find yourself at the Google Play Store's homepage. It's a gateway to millions of apps and games, so it can feel a bit like entering a marketplace full of endless possibilities. Now, to narrow it down to the app we need today, tap on the search bar. It's at the top of the screen and is usually marked by a magnifying glass icon, a symbol we're all accustomed to associating with searching. Tap on it to activate the keyboard on your screen. Next, type Photoroom in the search bar. Make sure you're spelling it correctly. It's all one word, Photoroom. As soon as you start typing, you'll likely see some suggestions populate beneath the search bar. Once you've typed it out, press the search key on your keyboard, usually represented by a magnifying glass yet again, to initiate the search. In a moment, you'll see a list of applications that match your search. Look for the Photoroom app in the results. It should be on the top, but do take a look at the app's icon and name just to be sure it's the correct one. When you've found it, go ahead and tap the Install button. Now, the installation process will begin. This can take anywhere from a few seconds to a few minutes, depending on your internet connection speed, so be patient and let the Play Store handle everything for you. Once the installation is complete, you'll see an Open button in place of the Install button. Click on Open, and just like that, the Photoroom app launches on your device, ready for you to start exploring its features. And there you have it. You've successfully downloaded and opened the Photoroom app on your phone. You are now set to enjoy a suite of powerful photo editing tools right at your fingertips. I hope this guide was helpful and made the process straightforward for you. Thank you for joining me, and happy editing with Photoroom.